guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing a pastel colored swipe, then using a balloon to create some flower-like patterns, and finally finishing off the painting by drawing on some flowers. The colors that I'm going to be using today are all custom colors, so I thought I'd show you how I mix one of them. Starting with a little cup that weighs 3 grams, I'm adding 4 grams of magenta paint, and then a further 8 grams of white paint, which brings the total on the scale to 15 grams. I used the same ratio to mix all the paints, so each of them is made up of 1/3 colourful paint and 2/3 white paint. Each of these paints is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone. If you'd like to see how I mix my paints for a swipe painting, I have a video on that which I'll include in the description box, and I'll also list all my paint colors, ratios and supplies in the description box too. To swipe, I'm going to use some titanium white, which is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This white is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. To create the flower-like patterns, I'm just pressing down gently with a balloon that's filled slightly with some water, and then carefully lifting the balloon directly back up to create what kind of looks like a flower. Now I'm using a toothpick to add a few drops of yellow paint to the center of each flower. I really love the colors in this one. To me, they look so pretty. Okay, I've given the painting about a week to dry, and now I'm just going to add some flowers using a white Posca pen. I'm just using a wet cloth to remove the pen in some places where I'm not happy with it. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.